How to change your Slack display name. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to change your display name on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top right corner. Select it. Then you will see something like this. Now tap onto your name, just right here, select it. Then here you can find display name. Now tap on it. Now simply add a new name just like this, and if you had already added, simply remove it and add a new name and tap on to save. And now you can see your display name has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change your Slack display name. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.